In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix this reel is unavailable in Instagram. This is an easy process, so please watch the video until the end. First of all, go to your device settings and scroll down to locate the Instagram app. Once you find it, tap on it. Make sure that the cellular data is enabled for Instagram. Next, navigate to General, Settings, and go to iPhone Storage. Look for the Instagram app and the list, and proceed to offload the app. Once uploaded, you can reinstall Instagram. Next, open your preferred web browser and search for Instagram. Look for the old version of Instagram and simply wait for the results to load. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.